Yup, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is the West Farm Rapids. And if you can see right above it, which is the monorail that goes through the zoo. It's part of a ride, so to say, where you can see certain animals. And if you saw my Bronx Zoo video, we took that ride. What a beauty. So yeah, this is basically a natural rapid waterfall in River Park, and it's really the only freshwater river in New York City, and it measures exactly 23 miles, which goes from the heights of Westchester County to meet the East River at Hunts Point. And this is just a great place to just relax, meditate, see the views. So we're gonna get a closer look. And over here you can read about some of the history, fish pastures on the Bronx River at River Park. Since the 1600s, dams like this one built for industry or agriculture have blocked the migration of river herring and blueback herring to their upstream spawning habitat. These fish live most of their lives in the Atlantic Ocean and return every spring. River herring are a critical source of food to many predators in the river and in the ocean. The concrete ramp with protective metal grate cover you see next to the dam is a fish passage. It allows river herring to swim over the dam to upstream freshwater where they can spawn. This fish passage contributes to the ongoing efforts to improve the Bronx River and restore our coastal ecosystem.